Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. This is Christine. This little journal holds 332 pages, so that's 166 full and half pages on two sides. It measures 5 across by 6 high, and it's 2 inches wide. It has a removable dangle charm on the side, and I've got a bunch of beads in there. Some are from vintage jewelry and some are newer beads. I have a little parasol here, and there's also a little Eiffel Tower charm. I've got a beautiful gold textured paper on the side, and that covers the 3 stitched signatures on the inside. And the covers are wrapped in a beautiful embossed paper. It has like rose embossing on it. And same thing on the back. I put a little tag on the front so you can write a title on it. So in addition to these removable dangles, the journal also comes with a little bookmark, and I've got some dangle charms on there as well. I have an elastic closure on the side, and I will take you through the pages quickly. There are no embellishments in here because this is meant for whoever gets this journal to do their own customizing with stamps and stickers and whatnot, and they can also add their own tags in there to have it reflect their preference. But on the inside, I just attached a little tag here where you can slip something on the back. And like I mentioned, I've got 3 very thick signatures. The pages aren't super big, and sometimes that's nice. You might not always want to have a large page to write on, so I like these little smaller style journals. I've got some tea-dyed papers and a whole bunch of other assorted papers, lined papers and drawing paper. Some more writing papers. I've got a little doily here, so you can always stick a little tag or something in here. And here, this is an old advertisement, an image of an old advertisement that I printed. This is an envelope that you can tuck something in. There's the other doily. I've got some scrapbook paper in here as well, and if you do put some photos in there, it's recommended that you print out photos and then you just keep your originals in a safe space, because these papers, the majority of them, are not acid free. A lot of them are just papers used in correspondence, and you don't want to damage your images in later years. So it's good to just scan and print any photos that you want to put in here. And this is an envelope that I just folded in 2, so you can use that as a tuck spot, and you can journal on the inside. So I'm just going through this quickly. I like having, there's another doily, videos of my journals, because it's a lot easier to see what it looks like and what it contains than just looking at a few photos. So it's a mix of papers. A lot of them are repeated between the 3 signatures, but there's such a variety of them. There is lots and lots of room for journaling. And I like the fact that it's not too tall either. It doesn't. You could probably slip this in your purse. It's a little bit chunky, but it's not too big. Beautiful paper, daisies with some glitter on there. More tea-stained paper. There's another envelope. You can just tuck something in there. That was some writing paper with tulips on it. I like incorporating the different textures. There's another doily. And that's my journal. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. And also I have many other new journals that I've recently listed if you want to go have a look. Have a nice day, happy journaling, and happy crafting. Bye!